Hi everyone! Welcome to Naoko's piano free lesson. Today, you're gonna learn very basic stuff before you start playing piano. Hand shape, sitting position, finger numbers, quarter note, half note, whole note, music alphabet. Let's get started. Lesson book. Put your name on. Let's go to page 4. How you sit on the piano bench. This should be about 90 degrees. So if you are a little, you need a stool to put your legs up to make it body and the legs 90 degrees. And hands position, this hands position, play like this. So inside the hands should be rounded curve. So from your view, you don't see your fingernails. This is not good. This is proper. Sit tall and relax. Okay, let's go to the next page. The finger numbers for piano play. Thumb is number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's get to exercise. LH means left hand. Okay, let's do flashcard. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right? Right hand. 1, 2, 3, 4. So let's do tap, tap, tap. Ready? 4, 3, 2, 1. Next one is 1, 5, 1, 5. Let's get to the next page. On the keyboard, middle C is here. This is called middle C, just about the middle of the piano, middle C. And if the key goes left, the sound goes lower. Okay, if goes to right, sound goes higher. Can you hear? Birds tweeting. Lion sound. All right, let's go to next. Let's see the keys. Do you see the pattern? 2 black keys, 3 black keys, 2 black keys, 3 black keys, 2 black keys, 3, 2, 3, 2, 3, 2, 3, 2, 3. Ah, it's a pattern. Quarter note is a black head with a stem. 1 count or 1 beat. So if the quarter notes are 4 in a row, you say ta, 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 ta. Okay, fill out this box. Now your hands will set up here. 2 black keys, left hand, 2 black keys, 2, 3. That's the finger numbers. And play these beats. Music goes from left to right. So you're gonna have right hand first, left hand next, right hand, left hand, right hand, right hand, left hand, left hand. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go! Did you get it? Dee da, dee da, dee dee da da. One more time. Ready, set, go! Very good. Now your hands are setting with a 3 black keys group. 2, 3, 4. Left hand number 2, 3, 4. Right hand start number 2. Ready? Okay. 2, 3, 4, 3. 2, 3, 4, 4. One more time. 2, 3, 4, 3. 2, 3, 4, 4. Now the left hand number 2, 2, 3, 4. Ready? 2, 3, go. 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 3, 4, 4. Half note, 2 counts or 2 beats. So quarter notes added together equal to half note. Okay? Ta, 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 ta. Ready? Ta, 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 ta. Go. Now the right hand number 2 is on the black key. 2, 3, 4. Okay, ready, play. 2, 3, go. 2, 3, 4, 4, 3, 2, 3, 3, 2, 3, 4, 4, 4. That doesn't have a number here. That means repeat the same finger number. Number 4, 4, 4. Now the left hand, start with number 4, here, 3, 2. Those 3 fingers. Ready? Ready, set, go. 4, 3, 2, 2, 3, 4, 3, 3, 2, 3, 4, 4, 4. One more time from the beginning to the end. Right hand number 2, 3, 4. Left hand 4, 3, 2. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go. 2, 3, 4, 4, 3, 2, 3, 3, 2, 3, 4, 4, 4. Left hand 2, 2, 3, 4, 3, 3, 2, 3, 4, 4, 4. Very good. Let's try another song. You are learning a rhythm right now. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go. 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4. 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4. Left hand. 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4. 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4. Did it? Did you do it? Okay, now let's see. What is this forte sign? Forte means loud, play loud. And here, P, piano means soft. Okay, here, forte, you play here, piano. You play here, forte, you play piano here. All right, let's try. Same setting, 2, 3, 4 fingers. 1, 2, 3, go. 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4. 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4. Left hand. 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4. 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4. Very good. Whole note. 4 counts or beats. Okay, so 4 of the quarter notes equals whole note. Ta, ta. Okay, so let's just play this. Play with middle C, which is this is just about the middle in the keys. I will get to the C and music alphabet name later. Okay, but this is C right now. 2 black keys right there. Left side here. 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ta, 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 ta. Then I will play the duet part. Why don't you play this part? Ready? 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. One more time. 2, 3, go. let's get to the E-I-E-I-O. Get ready for the settings. Left hand 3, 2. Right hand 2, 3, 4. So this is the repeat sign. When you get to here, you have to repeat again. And then go to the next part and finish the song. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go! Now you get to a music alphabet. English A, B, C, D, E, F, G. If you know these 7 letters, that's all you need for piano. Ready? This lowest one is called A. Let's get to the white keys. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Note is C. Lowest note is A. If you have 88 keys, keyboard or piano. Now you are going to play white keys. But to play white keys, how can you know where's the C, where's the D, where's the E? Okay, there's a trick to it. There's a black keys group here. You see the pattern though. You see the pattern? 2 black keys. Let's ignore the first one. 2 black keys. Now 3 black keys. 2 black keys. 3 black keys. 2, 3, 2, 3, 2, 3, 2, 3, 2, 3. Right? And then C, D, E is 2 black keys group. Okay, so find the 2 black keys, lowest one. And that's the C, D, E. Let's find another 2 black keys group here. Then this will be the C, D, E. Okay, another 2 black keys, C, D, E. 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 Say the name. C, D, E, 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 C, D, E. Very good. Let's say opposite way. E, D, C. Can you say E, D, C? Let's get to the left. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go. E, D, C, E, D, C, E, D, C, E, D, C. Left hand, E, D, C, E, D, C, E, D, C. This is right hand, left hand setting up with a C, D, E. Okay, so right hand C, D, E, left hand C, D, E, finger numbers 2, 3, and 4. Ready? Right hand first. 1, 2, 3, go. E, D, C, D, E, E, D. Notes. and the whole notes. Other ones are all quarter notes, right? Let's do one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4. E, D, C, D, 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 left hand. E, D, C, D, D, C. Okay. Then white keys. 3 black keys group is F, G, A, B. F, G, A, B. Find the 3 black keys. F, G, A, B. Next black keys, F, G, A, B. For now, it doesn't matter what finger you use, just to remember where is the F, G, A, B. 3 black keys, F, G, A, B. 3 black keys, F, G, A, B. 3 black keys, F, G, A, B. Okay? So you discovered all the white keys, right? Let's say, hit the C, all of the C. Ready? From the lowest one. 1, 2, 3, go. C. Next C. Next C. Next one. Next one. Next one. Next one. And the very last one. Good. Now you are going to use all 5 fingers. Now you know all the white keys. Let's get set on here. C number 1, D number 2, E number 3, F number 4, G number 5. Left hand also 5 finger goes on C, 4 on the D, 3 on the E, 2 on the F, 1 on G. Okay? And C, D, E, F, G. Say it with me. C, D, E, F, G. Okay, let's get started. Left hand first, then right hand after. Follow this music. Let's do it. 1, 2, 3, 4. C, D, F, G, 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 F, E, D, C, C, C. Now right hand. C, D, F, G, 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 F, E, D, C, C, C. Very good. Let's do one more time. Go. C, D, F, G, 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 F, E, D, C, C, C. Now right hand. C, D, F, G, 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 F, E, D, C, C, C. Okay, how was the very first lesson today? You can repeat watching it and practice yourself. And next video, lesson number 2, you will learn how to read sheet music. The lesson book I'm using is a Piano Adventures. It's a wonderful teaching method for piano lessons. And I like to share my teaching experience with you on YouTube. If this helped for you a little bit, even just a little bit, I'm so happy for you. Click the good button and subscribe, then you will have next video. Good luck practicing.